Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a backflip alone at home. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure you have a clear, soft landing area, such as a gymnastics mat or a grassy lawn. Start with a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints. We'll break down the backflip into manageable steps, focusing on building confidence and technique gradually. Remember, consistency and patience are key to mastering this exciting skill. Now, let's build your foundation. Begin by practicing high vertical jumps, focusing on exploding upwards. Once airborne, pull your knees tightly to your chest, mimicking the tuck position. This tuck is crucial for rotation. Next, try jumping slightly backward, getting a feel for the initial movement of a backflip. Repeat these drills many times to develop muscle memory and confidence in your aerial control. This step is vital for a successful flip. For your first attempts, consider having a trusted spotter. A spotter can provide physical support and verbal cues, significantly reducing risk. If possible, start practicing on a trampoline or a slightly elevated surface, like a springboard into a foam pit. This helps you get the feel of the rotation with less impact. As you gain confidence and control, slowly reduce the amount of assistance until you can perform the backflip independently. Take it one step at a time. When you're ready for the full attempt, commit fully to the jump and rotation. Push off powerfully, throw your arms back, and tuck tightly. Keep your eyes open and try to spot your landing as you rotate. As you come around, extend your legs to prepare for impact. Land softly on both feet, bending your knees to absorb the shock. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your technique and celebrating each small victory on your journey to mastering the backflip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.